What's going on, everybody? So I've just moved into a new place, and the room where I'm planning on streaming from has terrible acoustics. Not sure how well it's coming through the mic, but there's a bit of an echo when you talk. This room just doesn't have good sound. So what I've done is I've purchased 16 of these little acoustic foam wedges by the company, I think is J-Bear, Jber, off of Amazon. I've also all the acoustic panels, I've used spray adhesive and added cardboard to the back so they'll easily stick with these command strips to the walls. Um, this I ordered 8 of these bass traps. These are from True North bass traps. I got these off of Amazon, and I'll add all the links in the description for all of these. And I've ordered these packs of acoustic foam panels. You get 24 in a pack. You get 12 blue, 12 black. They have other colors. I believe they have red and purple. You can get all black. I went black and blue just to spice it up a little bit. These are also manufactured by J-Bear, Jber, is the company name. Like I said, I'll put the links below in the description. So let's just see. I'm just doing a little recording now to see what the sound sounds like. Especially like when you clap. So from what I was reading on acoustics, they said to do a clap test to find the best acoustic sweet spot in your room. And right here where I've set up seems to have the least echo, or the least amount of echo, but let's see what it sounds like when I clap. Not sure how heavily that echo's coming in. I don't really have any kind of speakers or anything here to play some music, but I'm just going to play a little off my phone from Pretzel Rocks just to see if we can get an example of what the sound quality is like in here. Just, give it a few seconds just to see what it sounds like. Yeah, this song kind of has like a little clacking sound in it. That's not me banging on anything, that's just the song. But maybe that gives you a little bit of a feel for how the sound quality is in here before I put the foam panels up. And I'm going to end this little section for right now and get all these foam panels up and then record the after. Hopefully it will be much better. See you then. All right, what's up, guys? We're back for part 2 of this video. It has been 15 days since I recorded the last one because I haven't had any internet still since I've moved in, so I haven't really had a huge priority to get the foam panels up, but we have them up now. Hopefully the sound is coming in a lot better. I did a little test myself. Seems to be coming in better, seems to be higher quality and not as bad echo when I speak, but obviously move the camera, or not move the camera, move the whole computer and everything to a different spot in the room, just because where it was before with the door right behind me was going to be an issue with the green screen and everything. But take a quick little look around here. So the bass traps, I put 2 in each of the corners along the roof. Let's see if I can turn this thing around so you can see over here. So I've got those in each corner, and then with the foam wedges, I put those down the corners because corners seem to trap sound the worst. I'm definitely going to order some more foam panels. I didn't have enough to quite get complete coverage, but I think this is effective for now. Hopefully quality's better. It wasn't too much of a pain. I used those command strips. They seem to stick a lot better. I think I only had about 4 fall down while I was hanging them up that I had to put back up. One of them I actually forgot to pull the paper off of the command strip. I held it up there because you hold it for like 30 seconds, have to put it there. Held it up there for 30 seconds, backed up, it fell off. I was like, what the crap? And then I realized I didn't even pull the stickers off. So, you're always gonna have a couple little mistakes when you're doing a project. I think everything came out pretty good though. Just do a little of the clapping to see how bad the echo is. So, I mean, there's still some echo, but it's a lot better, significantly better than it was before. And I think I've got the same song I played before here up on the phone. And we'll just play a little noise to take it out. Play a little noise. Play a little music to take it out. And thanks for checking this video out. Like I said, I'm going to put the links for all the products that I used down below. The spray adhesive, I'm not really going to bother linking that, but I just went and got some Loctite spray adhesive at Walmart. I think it was like $5 a can. And it's starting to rain, so you might hear that.